Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best motorcycle carburetor on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the product shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. PowerMotor 03HK125 Motorcycle Carburetor. The PowerMotor 03HK125 motorcycle carburetor is designed to work with Qxmotorracing Carburetor PWK 33 to 36 38 40 42 mm carburetor. This carburetor is perfect for scooter, quad, moped, motorbike, dirt bike and many others. Also, this product has the following features. 4-stroke engine racing parts for motorbikes contain body, needle, float and diaphragm. This PowerMotor 03HK125 is a leading brand of carburetor kit, which not only has high quality and best performance, but also has competitive price and fast delivery. As a reputable manufacturer, PowerMotor 03HK125 will provide you with more new and different high-quality products in the upcoming future. Number 4. Alconstar SCL2B18M100,033 Motorcycle Carburetor. Alkenstar carburetor is a sport carburetor for scooters and motorcycles, which is designed for 50cc, 70cc and 110cc engine. Alkenstar is a professional manufacturer of motorcycle carburetor, motorcycle engine, motorcycle ignition, motorcycle filter and other associated parts. This carburetor is made of high-quality material, which ensures its long working life. The carburetor is engineered to provide maximum fuel efficiency and longer engine life. This makes the engine run clean and cooler. The carburetor is designed for 2-stroke engines that use the Delorto PHPG. This ensures the compatibility with many motorcycles and scooters with cylinders 50, 70 and 110cc. The Alconstar Motorcycle Moped Scooter 2T for Delorto PHPG Racing 17-19-21 carburetor carb with air intake RS 50 47cc 49cc GY6 has a dimension of 12.6 x 6.6 x 19.7 centimeters and a weight of 0.2 kilograms. The delivery is inclusive of mounting material, gaskets and screws. Number 3. BL-XK-PWK Motorcycle Carburetor. BL-XK-PWK motorcycle carburetor is an ideal upgrade replacement part for your vehicle. It is designed to provide trouble-free and reliable operation, reduce fuel consumption, increase horsepower and torque. The motorcycle PWK carburetor enhances the acceleration and bottom-end power. This carburetor is suitable for many models and types of 125cc 500cc motorcycles, ATV and dirt bikes, etc. The carburetor is a universal carburetor that will fit 28mm 34mm carburetor Venturi size. Choosing the right carburetor is a very important factor when tuning a motorbike. This carburetor will save fuel and your service life will be increased. This carburetor has the main body, choke valve, idle adjustment valve, fuel valve, float chamber with float, throttle valve and etc. After installing it on the motorbike, it can be used normally to drive. The carburetor body is easy to process and is made of high-quality aluminum alloy. The throttle valve is advanced and easy to operate. Number 2. Qxmotorracing QXM Carb CJC1 Motorcycle Carburetor. Qxmotorracing Carburetor's QXM Carb CJC1 engine carburetor is one of the most popular and universal carburetors for motorcycles, cruisers and scooters. The automatic choke carburetor is equipped with a power jet needle, which provides strong airflow for quick acceleration. The Qxmotorracing QXM Carb CJC1 motorcycle carburetor is the right replacement for your broken, damaged or old carburetor. It is the right choice for your motorcycle and the right choice if you want to enjoy your rides just like the first time you did. It is a universal carburetor, meaning it fits on motorcycles, ATVs, motor scooters and dirt bikes of all sizes, from 28mm to 34mm. With this carburetor, you can definitely go places and ride as long as you want. The carburetor is comparatively smaller than other units and hence easier to install. It has a seamless design and comes in an exclusive black color. It's a must-have for all two-wheeler enthusiasts out there. Number 1. ZSDTRP SCL2B15M10019 Motorcycle Carburetor. ZSDTRP's SCL 2,015,010,019 motorcycle carburetor is an outstanding option when it comes to keeping your bike in excellent working order. It's made with an advanced design that keeps it working for decades. You'll love how it improves the efficiency of your bike's performance. This carburetor is made with an air filter that can be easily removed, so you can easily access the jets when you want to make adjustments. ZSDTRP motorcycle carburetor is a quick and easy replacement of your old or faulty motorcycle carburetor. Compatible with a wide range of engines, this replacement keeps you riding, no matter what. It features a quick connect adapter. Easy to install. It is used for Ulding racing motor. The carburetor is used for high output and high speed. The carburetor is used for 2-stroke 4-stroke motor. It has without air shifter, without air jets, without air screws needle spacer, without water jet, without O-ring, without float needle seat, without power jet, without power valve spring, without float adjuster, without main needle spring. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.